Ever roll down the windows, bump the volume, and feel that smooth West Coast flow take over your ride? Yeah, that's the effect Snoop Dogg has had on music for over 3 decades. But here's the real question. How does a rapper who rose to fame in the early 90s with gangsta rap anthems stay relevant and, frankly, this cool decades later? Let's break it down, 'cause this ain't no mystery lock. The arrival of a legend flows so smooth, it's criminal. We gotta rewind to 1992. West Coast rap was on fire, and Dr. Dre, a founding father of the genre, was cooking up something special. Enter Calvin Broadus Jr., aka Snoop Dogg. His smooth, laid-back vocals laced with streetwise lyrics on Dre's solo album The Chronic were pure fire. Tracks like Nothing But a G-Tang became anthems, introducing the world to a new kind of rap star. Then came Snoop's solo debut, Doggy Style, in 1993. This album was a game-changer. It topped the charts, went quadruple platinum, and cemented Snoop Dogg as a legend. His flow was effortless, his lyrics painted vivid pictures, and his charisma was undeniable. He wasn't just a rapper, he was a cultural icon. Beyond gangsta, evolving with the times. But Snoop Dogg ain't a one-trick pony. While early success came from gangsta rap, the genre started to shift in the late 90s. Snoop, however, didn't get stuck in the past. He adapted. His later albums explored different sounds, incorporating elements of funk, reggae, and even soul. This willingness to experiment kept him fresh and relevant to new generations of music lovers. The master of reinvention, from rapper to brand. Snoop Dogg's influence goes beyond music. He's a master of reinvention. He's become a successful entrepreneur, launching clothing lines, his own brand of marijuana, and even a cooking show, hilariously titled Martha and Snoop's Potluck Dinner Party alongside Martha Stewart. This ability to branch out and connect with new audiences through unexpected ventures has solidified his status as a pop culture icon. Keeping it real, authenticity that resonates. One thing that's never changed about Snoop Dogg is his authenticity. He's always been true to himself, from his laid-back persona to his unique slang. This genuineness resonates with fans. He doesn't try to be someone he's not, and that's refreshing in a world obsessed with image. The gift of gab, from raps to commentary. Snoop Dogg's smooth talking extends beyond music. He's a phenomenal voice actor, lending his iconic voice to movies and video games. He's also a charismatic commentator, whether it's on sports broadcasts or even hosting award shows. His ability to captivate an audience with his words just adds another layer to his appeal. A legacy of hits, timeless tracks we still love. Let's not forget the music. Snoop Dogg has a vast catalog of hits, from classic West Coast anthems to smooth, soulful collaborations. Tracks like Drop It Like It's Hot, What's My Name, and countless guest appearances on other artists' songs solidify his place in hip-hop history. These timeless tunes ensure his music stays relevant for new listeners to discover. A touch of humor, keeping it light with a smile. Snoop Dogg knows how to have fun. He's got a playful sense of humor that shines through in his music, interviews, and even social media presence. This lightheartedness makes him relatable and keeps his image fresh. So, why is Snoop still a dog? Snoop Dogg's enduring popularity is a combination of factors. His lyrical genius, smooth flow, and ability to evolve with the times have kept him at the forefront of music. But it's more than that. He's a brand, an entertainer, a pop culture icon who isn't afraid to be himself. He's funny, genuine, and keeps it real. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it trill.